everyone, Marlene here with Buffalo Check Chicks, and I have a little haul for you today. I was watching Kathy's video on Friday. She had a haul. Now Monday I have a haul. Boy, the two of us together can really do some damage in the stores. So I wanted to let all our new subscribers know. I know it's confusing when you click on Buffalo Check Chicks and then you see me, and then another time it's Kathy. Well, Kathy and I started this channel together, and at that time we both lived here in Arizona. Kathy is my best friend, and she ended up moving to Florida, but we still keep our channel going, the two of us, afar, but we're still together. So I just kind of wanted to explain that, and I want to thank all of our new subscribers. We're getting really close to our numbers now, so I really appreciate it. And yeah, we're this far away. So let's see, where did I go tonight? I went to Ross, I went to Marshall's, and I went to Walmart. So let me show you what I found. Okay, I'm going to start off with Ross. I saw this sign, and it is so cute. It says the Old Salem Broom Company, crafting enchanted brooms since 1671. And I plan on making a witch's broom too, so I thought that would be perfect. Hang on the wall, set my broom underneath of it. And it was, let's see. You see that? And I think it's $8.99. So that's not bad. It's kind of blurry here. Let me turn this away from the light. There, that's a little bit better. $8.99. And I thought that was so adorable. So I found that over at Ross. And then I found this also at Ross, $19.99. And they're witches' boots. And I just thought that was so cute. I'm going to do a floral arrangement in this. And I want to, put maybe some black and some red and some gold. I don't know exactly what yet, but I'm going to go out and look for some flowers over at the Dollar Tree and see what they have. Checked Walmart tonight, and they had beautiful flowers, and I bought a lot, but nothing for the witch's boots. So aren't they cute? It's going to be adorable. And they're good size, and they're like plasticky, like, but breakable, I'm sure. But aren't they cute? And then next, I bought this witch. I couldn't resist. And she was $16.99 over at Ross. I love her traditional colors, orange and black. And her hair, cute little witch's hat. She's pretty good size, $16.99, and she has a little sign that says Hocus Pocus. Isn't she cute? So I had to get it. I have a couple of little witches, but I thought she was so pretty. I just had to have her. I love witches. They're so cute. And I think the only thing I found over at Marshall's was this Ray Dunn candy corn. It says, "You're corny. You're so corny." And I thought that was just so cute. And it's not anything. It doesn't open. It's not a canister. You just set it. But isn't that sweet? I thought that was so cute. You're so corny. And this was $14.99. So I'll probably set that up in my kitchen somewhere, because I like to fill my candy jars with candy corn. So I thought that was super cute. Okay, and then when I went over to Walmart, I picked up some taper candles. And these were $2.24, and orange, bright orange, and black. So I grabbed them because last year I remember looking for them and I couldn't find them. And these are, says Halloween 2 taper candles. They're the 10-inch size. And $2.24. So I got both the orange and the black for Halloween. Okay, so now I get down to my flowers. Walmart has some really pretty flowers, and the picks, I think, what were these? I have my price tag. They were $1, I want to say like $1.19, and they're just, your pretty leaves, and I think I got about 4 or 5 of those. I've been working on my front porch. So this is what I've done out on my porch. These flowers here from the Dollar Tree, I think they're so pretty. It's just a lot of different colored sunflowers and mums. And I just love the brightness. Here are the birds chirping. And I have 2 of these, and I'm going to plant them alike. I'm going to take these white flowers out and plant them as close alike as I can. And then I have 2 planters hanging on my railing. I'm going to go ahead and get those planted too. Now the flowers I bought at Walmart are going to go into my large copper colored containers, and so I've about got them done, and they've also come out really, really pretty. I don't want to reveal everything because I want to do a porch reveal probably coming up this week. So these are the largest containers, and a lot of those inside are the flowers I bought from Walmart, and I think they're beautiful. So watch later this week and I'll have a porch reveal. Okay, love you guys. See you soon. Bye for now.